like a ladybug. See ladybug. Ladybug.
Can I see?
Like a ladybug.
Do you like him?
I like him.
You like him a lot?
I like it a lot.
Should we put him outside?
No, I don't want to go outside. I love him.
I love him too, honey.
I want in the house.
You want him in the house?
I want the house.
Want to keep him nice and warm?
This one okay. My nice and warm.
You love him?
I love him.
Is it a girl or a boy? What's his name?
It's cute. It's cute.
That's his name? His name is Cute? T-Bird, you're so cute.
No, you're so cute.
No, you're so cute.
No, you're so cute.